In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to PayPal. First, go to the Wells Fargo website and sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account summary page. From there, click on the three dots next to the card you want to add to PayPal. When you click the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear with the option to select Digital Wallet. Click on this, and you'll be redirected to a page where you can see all your available wallets. PayPal will be listed by default. Click on PayPal to see the list of eligible cards to link. Select the card you wish to link and follow the process to add it to PayPal. Another tab will open, or you'll be redirected to the PayPal website where you'll need to confirm your PayPal credentials and agree to connect the accounts. Once both accounts are linked, you can go back to PayPal and add money using the Wells Fargo card you just linked. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.